Welcome to First Maryland Disability Trust YouTube channel, where we help you navigate disability planning and benefits. If you haven't, please take a moment to subscribe and join our community. We release new videos every other Thursday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Whether you're a subscriber or not, you can leave comments to request topics and share with other people you feel or know need this information. Today, we are going to talk about FICA, which is the Federal Insurance Contributions Act, FICA, and what the impact is if you're a paid caregiver and you're paid by Medicaid to take care of your child. This is a question that comes up very frequently in Facebook groups and caregiver forums. If I'm being paid as a caregiver for my child under a Medicaid waiver, do I need to pay taxes? The short answer is this. You may not owe any federal income tax, but you probably still owe Social Security and unemployment taxes. And skipping those can have real long-term consequences. IRS Notice 2014-7 allows certain Medicaid waiver payments, often called difficulty of care payments, to be excluded from federal income tax. This sounds like a big win, but here's the catch. This exclusion only applies to federal income tax. It does not automatically exempt you from other payroll taxes. Do FICA and FUTA usually still apply? In most cases, Social Security and Medicare taxes, what we call FICA, still apply. Federal unemployment taxes may also apply. There are limited family-based exceptions, but they are narrow and fact-specific. Most caregivers should assume FICA applies unless a professional confirms otherwise. It's important to pay into Social Security because although not paying may seem like it's saving you money today, it can cost you down the road. Without sufficient credits, you may not qualify for Social Security retirement, disability, or survivor benefits. And it can also impact future eligibility for Social Security disability insurance provided to your child under the Disabled Adult Child Benefit. State taxes are a separate issue because even if federal income taxes do not apply, some states still treat Medicaid waiver payments as taxable income. State rules change and they vary widely. You always need to check current state guidance. What should you do? Well, you should talk to a qualified tax professional who understands Medicaid waiver payments. Ask them specifically about FICA and unemployment taxes, keep good records, and think long-term. Not just about this year's tax bill, but about future benefits and protections. The bottom line is, IRS Notice 2014-7 may reduce your income tax burden, but it does not eliminate the need for planning. In many cases, paying into Social Security is not a mistake. It's a form of protection. Thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe. If you have questions, comments, or topics you would like covered, please email info@firstmdtrust.org. None of this is meant to be planning advice. We don't know your particular circumstances. This is strictly educational. In this particular case, you're going to want to talk to a qualified tax consultant, attorney, CPA, somebody who really understands the tax code, especially if you're going to be looking at whether or not you should be filing for state tax and Social Security. Thank you for watching.